Hello friends, here I am with another video for you all. This is my front yard. Here I want to show you some of the pieces of the pots that I have recreated or repurposed, some of the discarded containers and some of the plants that I have planted here in my front yard. You can see the vibrant color of this plant. You know, it is a very common plant grow here and there. There's a snake plant which I have grown in a discarded paint container. This is a aloe vera. All of you know it's a very common plant. This is also planted here in the container. This is the fish bone cactus. This plant, actually I bought this plant from one of my friend's house long ago, nearly 8 to 9 years back. I went to her house one day, saw it's hanging down from her grill. So I bought one piece of the uh, small part of this plant and planted in this bucket. You can see here it's hanging down from the grill and enhancing the beauty. Beside the fishbone cactus, there is one elephant's ear plant which I have kept near the door, the front door. It's really growing huge, but very soon I have to repot it. Yes, see this wonderful, lovely, vibrant color. This is just a harpic bottle. You see, I have planted a small plant inside it. Let it grow. It will look very good. Now you can see here how it is enhancing the beauty. The fishbone cactus is totally covering the whole grill. Yes, these are all the adenium. The adenium plants, some of them are very old. Here you can see this, yes, the pink one. You can see the petals. Okay, two or three petals are there. Very, very vibrant and very lovely, wonderful color. It's entirely decorating my front yard, you can say. And nearby that also there are two more adenium. That adenium is generally known as desert rose. It's a very low maintenance plant. You can easily is a old flower. Let me throw it. So very low maintenance plant. This one is one of the old my one of the old salwar piece, that cloth I have taken and put some of the soil mixture here. This is one oil bottle I have just discarded and painted it and hung some of the 9 o'clock plant. So in this way I'm trying to change the look of my front yard by putting some wonderful plants here and changing the theme of the front yard, so that it looks good. This plant actually, it was a gift from my brother few years back. This one, when I got this in hand, it was just like a stick, small stick. I was wondering how to grow and nurture it, and I was surprised to see this plant. Now see, it has grown so big. This one I have told you, just this one, this discarded bottle is of disinfectant. I have cut open the upper part of this bottle and painted it as at random, whatever came in my mind, and planted this colocasia. This is yes, this is the small ecosystem that I have tried to set up here in the old plastic tumbler, inside which there is another small tumbler which is cracked by the side. I have put some soil, planted the lotus. Now lotus, this plants I have actually planted through seed, a germinated seed. The seeds were bought online from one of the online site, and out of 15 seeds, 10 germinated, which I have placed in 3 different containers. This is the bigger one. The you can see some molly and guppy that I have introduced here so that they can enhance the beauty. This is the cupia, and this is this plant. Can you recognize this? This is giloy. Okay, known as the uh, what it is said, Amrit Briksh of the Kaliyug, like that. So It has lot of immense medicinal importance. So I have told you about this. Again I am showing you here the vibrant color of this plant, really looking very very great. So overall these are all my plants here in the front yard. Very soon I am going to decorate it in other way. This is the adenium that I was telling you about. This adenium, this one that I got as a gift. There's some aloe vera too. So this is one of the paint bucket, and I have painted it. I have just sprayed some black paint, so the help of spray paint, and you can see there are some polka dots, white full polka dots, but you are seeing it is scattered and not so perfect as I am not also such perfectionist. Now actually when I was painting it, what happened, it suddenly started raining. Now you know it is a monsoon season, so the paint all spilled off and it's looking so untidy. But just I will keep one large palm tree inside it. The pot will be different and it will be just as a outside pot I will keep it. See why I am showing you, I am showing the fishes here. The purpose of keeping this fish is to eat up the mosquito larva, as it is the monsoon season. I do not want to get myself infected by uh, dengue or something like that. So they eat up mosquito larva, keep the water clean and tidy, and also they are omnivorous, eat up the algae. You see the lush green pudina here. This I have used some coconut husk and some cocoa peat, soil, sand mix. Really, they are growing very well. In my next video, I will talk about some of the fertilizers, organic fertilizers that I generally use for this pudina and other plants that are potted. Here you can see. Well, you can see this cacti. This pot is very old, nearly 5 years. You can see the growth of the cacti. The pot is not at all visible. Here are some colorful plants. Let's go to the terrace. You can see here this polka dot DIY that I have showed you in the previous video. You can see this Erica palm is lying there in the small sack which I have bought from the nursery. It is not looking that good, and even it is falling down due to heavy rain and wind nowadays. Till I repot it, it will take time because the soil is very muddy now. So till I repot it, I want to give some extra support to this plant. For that I will keep that DIY that I was making. Here it is looking pretty, isn't it? So my friends, it was all about my courtyard gardening. Hope you liked some of the arrangements and innovations that I am trying to do, and trying to change the front yard and change the look of the courtyard and make it vibrant and colorful. From all the discarded materials, I try to make the place decorative. So this was all about my front yard gardening. Hope you like the video, and you will also try to make your home look beautiful and wonderful. Really, plants make the place a total difference. So if this place was without plant, it wouldn't have looked so wonderful. Personally, I feel plants are our best friends. We should nurture them because we get so many important things from them. They are not useless at all. I will see you soon in my next video with some of the very important informations regarding the beginners of gardening. some of the requests from my students are coming to make some wonderful videos regarding the beginners, those who want to do some gardening. For them, I will try my best to give you some of the tips for gardening. Thanks for watching my video and having patience listening to my all nations. Thank you once again. Stay safe, stay happy, go green.